Where do elusive Mediterranean bluefin tuna hide? Imagine trying to spot a fish that loves to keep moving and hide in the most secretive spots in the ocean. That's what makes the Mediterranean bluefin tuna such a fascinating challenge for anglers and explorers alike. These tuna are mostly found in the warm, productive waters of the Mediterranean Sea, where they love to gather around areas rich in food and warmth. They tend to stay in regions with high chlorophyll levels, which means lots of plankton and small fish to eat. These areas often include frontal zones, where cold and warm waters meet, creating a perfect buffet for them. During the warmer months, they gather in specific spawning grounds like the Balearic Sea and the Tyrrhenian Sea. These spots are like their secret nurseries, where they come together to reproduce. Outside of spawning season, they spread out across the Mediterranean, following the abundance of prey. Larger bluefin tuna can venture into nearby Atlantic waters, especially when food is plentiful. They are excellent divers and can plunge over 1,000 meters deep, but they also spend a lot of time near the surface, especially when hunting or during warmer seasons. Their vertical movements depend on where their prey is and how the water temperature changes with depth. For fishermen, understanding these patterns is key to finding them. They often target spawning areas during the season or follow their migratory routes to feeding grounds. Knowing that bluefin tuna prefer certain temperature ranges and frontal zones helps locate the best spots. These tuna are quite elusive because they move constantly and hide in deep or surface waters depending on their needs. But with patience and knowledge of their habits, anglers can increase their chances of catching these impressive fish. In the end, the Mediterranean bluefin tuna hide mainly in the warm, nutrient-rich waters of the Mediterranean Sea, especially around the zones where different water temperatures meet and during their spawning times. Their movements are always changing, making every fishing trip a new adventure.